How to build a Shopify store for hoodies. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own Shopify store for your hoodies. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to sign up onto Shopify. Shopify is free to use for the first 3 days, but after that they give you a month for just $1. So over here, first month is just going to be $1. So for the first 3 days, you can just go ahead, test it around, add your products, edit the website and cosmetics and all of that. And then once it's ready, you can go ahead and purchase for $1 for the first month, and then you can set your store live. All right. And then you can go ahead and set your advertisements, your ads, get sales within the first month and see how it's doing. And then, depending upon that, you can continue the service or not. So the sign up process is actually very simple. You can just simply click on start the free trial over here. And I've actually created an account, but I'm just simply going to go ahead and show you how easy it is, right? So you can go ahead and sign up with Google or Apple or Facebook or even your email, and then you just simply add in your email address, password, and there you go, right? You don't need me to show you or hold your hand from that. You can do that all on your own. So I'm going to skip this step and move on to the next step. So as you can see, when you log in or sign up, this is going to be your dashboard over here. Here you will see all of your store analytics, as you can see right here. And on the left hand side, you're going to have all of your main options. You're going to have orders, products, customer stores, content, and all of that, right? Now, if you already have the products, it's pretty simple. You can go ahead and add your own products. So for example, you just simply come over here, click on products. You can see I have a bunch of products already. These are all sample products. So to add a product, just simply click on add product over here. Here, just give it a name, description, upload the media, which is going to be the video or images or anything like that, and you should be good to go. One thing that I have to mention is if you are planning to upload videos and stuff like that, for that you are going to need a paid plan, because if you go into content, if you go into files, I believe if you try to upload videos, it will tell you to go ahead and purchase a plan. It won't allow you to upload video files. You can upload images and whatnot, but since I already have the plan, I can upload the videos. I'm just saying that. So if you are going to upload videos or planning to upload videos of your products, make sure you purchase the plan beforehand. So let's go back and show you how you can add products. So to add products, just simply click on add product button, fill out this form, upload the media, set the pricing to whatever you want. And then down below, you will have your inventory. You can have quantity, and you can even add variants like sizes or colors. And there you go. So I'm going to fill this out. So let's go ahead and upload our image. So click on the upload new button and then just select your image that you want. So this is the image, or this is the hoodie that I want to upload. So this is one image. You can upload multiple images over here. Once you've set that, you just select the category. So you can see I have some categories over here. I'll just select apparel and accessories. It's good. And then over here you can add the description of the product. If it's what type of material it is used, why it is one of the best ones out there, why you should buy it, stuff like that, highlighting the details or the main points of the product. And then at the top, you can just add the title, scroll down and set the price. So let's say it's $20, right? Compared at the price of whatever you want. So over here, you can see like if it is on sales, right? So let's say before sale, it's usually at $30. And after sale or during sale, it's going to be $20. Cost per item, you can add whatever cost per item you have. I'll just put 15. You can see right here 5 profit margins, and you got inventory and all of that, right? Make sure to fill out all of this. So down below you can select sizes. So right here you can add like size, and then you can be like small, medium, and large. There you go. You got your sizes as well. Click on done. Boom, done. You can add individual images for the sizes as well. So I'll just do that. And there you go. You can go ahead and set different pricing for different sizes as well if you want. And once that's done, just simply hit the save button. And that is how you can create products onto your store. Next is to go ahead and set this product live. So if you go back to products, find the product that you just created. I'll sort these out right here. So you can see it's currently set to active, which is good because that's what we want. So now all that's left for us to do is to edit our store. All right, we've added the products. Now let's go ahead and edit the store. Go into online store right here underneath sales channels, click on themes, and here you will have a default theme of Dawn. You can select any other themes you want. So if you scroll down, you can see some other free themes right here. I recommend going with either Spotlight. It depends on you. If you want a simple website, nothing too crazy, people come over there, boom, you've got products in front of you, something like that. If you want something a little bit style, go with the Refresh or go with the default theme, which is Dawn. Totally depends on you, right? So let's say we want Spotlight, so we'll just simply click on add theme. It's going to add the theme right here. Give it a couple of seconds to install it, and there we go. So now it is installed. Now you can go ahead and edit this theme or customize it. So if you click on customize, it's going to open up the editor in another tab or on the same tab, and here you will see all of the products that you currently have, right? So you can see I have a bunch of different products, and it's very simple store, really nothing too crazy. As I said before, your store name is going to be over here. You can have a search bar, a login option if you want, and a checkout page right here, right? Or the cart page. And then down below, you're going to have your products. It's as simple as this. Is one of the most simplest, or well, one of the most easiest to use themes out there. Nothing too crazy, nothing too, over the top. Product, boom, there you go. If you want a little bit more oomph to your website, then as going with either Dawn or the Refresh theme. Totally depends on you. So you can see I also activated some of the other products that I had so that we can have a more fuller store. Of course, you can add whatever products you want. This is just an example. Of course, your products will have hoodies. In fact, if it's just hoodies, this theme would be much better because each hoodie would be displayed individually over here like a showcase, and I think that will look much better, right? So you can go with this one. And with this theme in particular, you don't need to add a bunch of stuff. All that's left for you to do is actually just go ahead and add a few more things. Maybe you want to add like a section over here with some testimonials, right? So you can come over here onto the left hand side, click on add section, and then just add a multi-column right here, right? A multi-column, this would work great as a testimonials, right? So you can add that over here. Instead of multi-columns over here on the right hand side, you can see you got the option to edit it. Instead of multi-column, you can just say reviews, and once that's done, select one of the columns and upload one of the images. Let's say we uploaded this image right here, or select this image or this image, right? This image right here. And over here, you can add the name of the person that gave it a review, like James. And James said this is one of the most warmest and most comfortable hats he's ever worn. Something like that. This looks good. You can do the exact same thing for other columns as well. Like you can add, let's say, another pair of jeans, right? Very sturdy. This one, let's say Roxy commented on it and she said there's really cool stuff about it, right? Best jeans ever, most sturdy, more comfortable, something like that. And then finally, you can add another one. And again, Jimmy said something about the review as well. And once that's done, there you go. After that, just simply click on the save button and we should be good to go. Next, one other thing, there is this button down here. We can go ahead and, remove that. If you want, you can add like a secondary background between them. That looks good. You have the button link over here. If you have a separate channel or a separate page for reviews, you can then link the button to that specific part of the page and people can go ahead and check it out. Or you can just say leave a review down below. Leave a review, people can come over here and leave a review. You can link it to another page where people can go ahead and leave a review. So once that's done, just simply click on save. So you can see, very simple, nothing too crazy. You've got your product section, then you've got the review section. Let's say you want to add another section and you want to add like an FAQ section. For that, I recommend going ahead and adding a collapsible content right here, collapsible content page. And over here, again, change the heading to FAQs. And then for the collapsible rows, instead of a check mark, remove the check marks on all of them. It looks much more cleaner. If you want, you can add individual options as well. And then over here, heading, you can add the question over here, like how long does the shipping take? And you can then down below add the answer to that question, right? Shipping usually takes 3 to 4 business days, something like that. That way people can just simply come over here, click on it, and they'll have the answer down below. And pretty simple. So once that's done, make sure to save the website. And then finally you can add the footer. So here you can see the footer options are right here. In the footer you can add blocks, and different blocks are going to have different options right here. You can add menu option, which you can go ahead and edit. So you can see we have the quick links menu over here. You can go ahead and change the menu over here by clicking on the change menu. And then over here you will have customer account menu, main menu, whatever. And if you want, you can add a new menu right here. This will allow you to create a new menu for your footer where you can go ahead and add a bunch of stuff, right? Like for example, you can add a brand info over here. This will allow you to show social media icons. So if you click on change, go to theme settings on the left hand side, you can see right here down below, scroll down below, you will find social media. Here you can add the social media links to your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all of them, and they will appear right here in the footer section, and people can click on those icons and go ahead and go to your social media form. It's actually pretty simple. And then once you're done, just save it, and there you go. Of course, there's some other stuff to do, but for this video, I think this is enough. After that, you can just simply go ahead and publish your website that you've edited, publish the theme, and your website will be online, and people can go ahead and start purchasing products from your website. And there you go. This is how you do it. This is how you create a website for Hoodie. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.